Hi, my name's Sarah Vance with Rebalanced Life. I'm a nutritionist, and so I'm here to share some tips to help you make healthy food fun. So I'm here to give you some ideas about how to make corn a little more interesting for your toddler. So sometimes getting our kids to eat their veggies is not the easiest thing in the world. But one of the things you can do is just put it into an interesting shaped bowl. This just makes it look a little bit more inviting and unique. And if your kid is the only one at the table that has this kind of special bowl, they're going to feel more special. They're going to want to really eat what's in it. I think another thing, we often think about corn holders if you're going to eat corn on the cob to put it at the end. And this is a great way to have it be a little bit more special and fun and easier for the kid to hold their corn. But another way to use these corn holders, we like to use them as itty bitty little mini forks. And so this can actually not only be a way to encourage them to eat their corn, but it can also be a way to keep them busy at dinner. Because a lot of times, if you're out to dinner, if you've got guests over, you want your toddler to be able to sit at the table, this can keep them occupied. I also like using fun little size spoons that are just for kids. These aren't the toddler spoons that they're used to though. They look a little bit fancier. So if you can give them their own special spoon, that's going to make eating corn a lot more fun too. So I'm Sarah Vance with Rebalanced Life. I hope you got a few ideas to make corn a little bit more interesting for your toddler.